Ha? Tsaka na ako magpano ng ipin. Eh, iwan lang si Chloe. Si Chelsea doon, hindi ba mag-aanap yan? Walang kasama ni isa.
Paghain ng pasasalamat at pagpupugay sa pinakatubos na kamahal na lahat ng mga mahal. O San Jose, hindi nakita ka sa bawat pagmasdan at si Jesus na nahihigit sa iyong mga isip. Hindi na magawang kumangin, samantalang siya'y namahay na manamit sa iyong puso.
Wait lang. Thank you. Try mo. Tara. Try mo. Ano ba yan? Ay, hindi. Gusto mo try?
Gusto mo ba? Ha?
Oo, gusto mo.
Ano yun?
Hindi. Haba ng pila ka. Wala, di ko alam eh. Wow!
May flowers dito mahal talaga sa ako. Sa atin, ano eh, sa may Collingwood.
Tara na. Come, let's go shop.
Double dragon.
Wala daw siyang pera. Nawawala yung wallet niya.
We went to like lots of meat and you guys are cooking.
Or like,
But we're not gonna eat there, but inside there. Where do you guys wanna eat inside?
which one again? That from the. What is it? Tell me. Like Baba Boys.
Ito na.
Bim, come Bim.
Come, Chelsea, come. Labu, later. Come. Chloe, let's go. Mahal na, nagpapabuhat. Yan, you have to walk.
You have to walk.
Tired daw siya. Parang dito rin, parang ganito rin ang init din. Where you wanna go eat?
No, this is the food.
You want that one? Soup? Oh, that. Binibidyo ako kasi kayo eh. Buhatin ko sana yan. Gusto magpaano? Ayaw daw mag-walk. Tamad.
Sumayan.
Gusto daw niya dito? Wala na silang gusto dito.
Ikaw, basta.
Ha? Try mo sa Cebuana, mahal. You wanna eat now, Chloe? Wanna eat? Donut. May donut pa.
What's the cookie?
What? Oh, may pouchin. May, you want donut or something? Gusto mo try mo muna sa Cebuana, naman. Do you want donut?
Like making like donuts.
Okay, wait. Mahal, tingin ka muna. Dito ka na lang o sa video ka? Video na lang o saan tayo kakain? Where you wanna go? Oh, look at it. Chloe, let's go. So doon nila donut ng isa. You want donut? Wala pa namang lunch eh.
Diba you walk so fast? She's like beautiful. Babe, why are you trying so fast at animal?
Hindi rin. Nakakain na tayo dyan. Good. Siyempre kainin natin dito yung nakakain natin. Hindi natin nakakain. Turks, mechok. Give me your shirt, Zachary. No, there's no people here. You're Crocs. They here. Put your Crocs here.
I'm naked. No, you're not. You're naked. No.
Put it here.
Like sure. You're not naked. Oh, I'm naked. That's really cold.
So, Chloe, your Crocs is here. Put your Crocs here. Look, mommy. Smile, sir. Chloe, Zach, smile.
Not bad. No, try.
Why is it cold? Is it cold? So cold?
Hi, Chloe.
Where's your eyeglasses, Chloe? Careful, Chloe, ah. Where's your glasses?
Wait, my glasses are watch. So thank you for watching my glasses.
Do you want it? Give me. Put it. Naambon. It's raining. Stay there, okay? Dito lang tayo mamaya. Tulog. Swimmingin na lang natin next time. Kinanta.
Unlimited swimming naman yun, di ba?
Ha?
Unlimited swimming.
Oo. Basta 3 lang sila. Bawal mag-exceed, sabi ko yan. Adults lang, pero 1 adults lang. Kasi yung 1 bedroom lang kasi kailangan maximum of 3 lang talaga. Pag 2 bedroom, ayan, pwede ng 5 or 6.
Wala tawag.
Mamaya at least na ano. Napaano natin. Hindi ko sila na-sprayan. Mamadali eh. I'm gonna game. That game.
That's Tokyo.
Yeah.
Which cities?
Over here.
Where's Iwo Jima?
No, that's the Tokyo we're doing.
Okay.
So, what number you want to park at? 14? 50?
50.
I think over there. So there's people.
Oh. That's a Philippine airline?
Yeah. Well, a little bit. That's China X.
Okay.
But that's Philippine airline.
Mm.
Okay, we're park.
Mabait lang siya.
Hey, pusa. Sisi ha. Damihan mo na isang pack. Wala ba? Sige, isa lang muna. Pagmuli ka na lang sa Alpha Mart.
Get one for yourself now.
Pero wala. Mas una tayo sa
Smile, bebe. Bebe. Lowy, look, mommy. Like it?
Yeah.
Favorite mo, di ba? Mukha na yan doon. 25. 1,000 na agad.
wala bang nabinda mo?
Mahal, 1,000 na. Mantalang doon, $7 lang, oh. Di ba? Na mahal?
Yeah.
If you feel tired using the una. Sug ako eh. Wow, my baby loves food. Loves it.
Not bad, ah. Let me try this one, baby. Ano itong isa?
Gusto niya yan. Kain siya. Ano yan? Ayoko. Sug ako. Yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, you're done? Eat it first. That's okay. Just eat first. Chelsea, this way, ah. There. Chelsea, this way.
Bim.
Ay, sige. Dakay. One, two, three. Antayin mo dito si Claude, Chelsea. Chelsea, naman. Ikaw na mag-picture ka sa kanila. Video na ako eh.
One more. Good job.
This one, this one. Dito dawan sa akin. Just stand up, stand up. Oh, look, mommy, Zachary, Chloe. Okay. Oh, next one, this one. Chelsea.
Oh, no, come together. In the middle.
Let's go now. Bawal na dyan. You wanna go inside, eh?
Is it over there? My bean game.
Pictures. Wait, what? Why is it pictures?
Okay, come here, Zachary. Here, go, Papa. Sir, go take a picture of me. Bean, over here. Hurry. Chelsea.
Let's go. We gotta go now.
You did it.
Pray.
This one, ketchup. Here.
Ito to. Ikaw, ayaw mo kumain?
Gusto ko yung pagkain dun. Saan ba yun? Tomato.
Yun na Julie sa amin.
Gusto ko kumain ng Belgian. So, tinatay. Gawa na ako chicken. Vendor noon. So, mga benda to kasi pag yung mga estudyante dito. O, yung ibang estudyante nagtitipid din. Mas okay sa kanila yung mga karinderya. May mga karinderya sa dito dyan.
Oo, ang dami dyan sa ano, sa Tayos. Saka sa ano, sa Ocampo, yan.
Wow, special treatment. Baba mo na. Remin lang muna natin. Sa baba na lang. 50 lang. Tayo na na. Kaya naman tayo na.
Ikaw na?
Balik na lang po namin.
Balik ko na lang sila.
Hindi po. Doon sa second floor lang.
Ano, escort?
Send mo sa akin.
Malalayo po sa mga See, Tita Bajek and I and Mommy are so proud of you.
Yeah. You're a man now. Sige po.
Bigyan mo lang yung guardia kahit konti. Yung sandaan. Taga.
After this, you're gonna get a taxi.
Ha?
Try to get in. Do I need a wheelchair? I can use this forever?
No? Yung tayo nakabili siya.
No, I'm a king.
I'm a king.
Daddy will wash it. Okay. If you don't clean that, you know what's gonna happen if you don't clean that.
Oh, Daddy, please, don't let me do it.
Okay, so, okay, let's not clean it. Let's not clean it. It's dirty. Okay.
Zachary,
All
you're
the
going
bacteria-
to the doctor again, Zachary.
All the bacteria is gonna go there if you don't clean it. Okay. It's gonna be harder for you.
No, no. Guys. No.
Hirap na, Zachary.
Don't scream at my son. He's a big boy now.
No, I'm too scared. I gotta feel it so hurt. Dad, you don't understand.
I got it.
It will hurt so much.
It's not gonna hurt. This one is gonna be fast.
No, no.
You wanna do it? You wanna do it here?
That's a big bowl.
You wanna do it here? We can do it here.
That's a big bowl. You cannot do it.
I'm not gonna put everything. I'm not gonna put everything.
What are you gonna do?
Don't worry.
You said
I'm gonna do what?
you said you're not gonna do everything. What are you
Oh,
gonna do?
nasa yung gamot dito ano? I'm gonna have this one ready.
Oh.
Come on. I'm gonna have this one ready for you. See, Daddy loves you so much. I'm getting this one ready for you.
I'm scared.
You're my patient. Come on, hurry. Come on, okay. You wanna do it later? Okay. I'm gonna watch TV. And I'm gonna forget about it.
Zachary, hurry up now.
The more you think, it's
I'm gonna call
stick.
the doctor. They're gonna
gonna be hard.
they're gonna take you here without mommy and daddy.
Fine.
We will do it slowly, like this.
Gosh, I'm scared so much. No.
You wanna sit down?
I hate this. Wait. What are you gonna do now?
Take a picture.
No.
Daddy mo kasi hindi makaantay eh. Dito yung kanang
Yeah,
pinanganak eh.
tama yung maaaring ginawa natin.
Hindi na
What are you
makaantay.
gonna do?
Hindi, I mean, dapat doon na yung sa pinanganak sa Canada. So kasi,
Pinagawa. Pinagawa.
What are you
doon
gonna
na yung
do?
ginawa eh.
Don't tell me you're gonna put water. You're gonna put water?
If I don't put water, it's hard to take it out.
No. Oh.
No, there. So you can breathe. You wanna do it here? I'm gonna do it here. No, it's gonna get better. Come on, let's go. It's gonna be quick. Yesterday it was a little hard, but this one is better. Promise.
You gotta put everything.
Not everything, not everything.
How many times did you put?
Until the white goes away.
Huh?
Until the cover goes away. The bandage. When it goes away, then it's finished.
No. You have to put tutoy
No,
na.
it's not, it's not.
Ow.
See, come on now.
No, you're putting lighter. Something like this, lighter.
Look, it's not gonna, look, see, oh. See? See?
That's more lighter.
See? Come on.
Make sure don't put toy.
And slowly.
You have to put toy like inside.
Alam natin yung putok to.
Only put that band-aid.
Yes.
Don't
Yes.
cross you.
I'm here to take care of you.
Mommy.
Dakari, hurry up. The doctor's gonna call soon.
I'm covering. Let me know when you're ready, okay? It's gonna get harder for us to remove it.
I'm just.
Oh, you wanna do it? Okay,
Remember, you put more fast and everything.
okay, we're gonna do it here.
Don't use my toy.
Okay, we're gonna do
Use
it here.
band-aid.
We're not doing bandage. We're gonna do
You
it.
got pour my band-aid.
Mm.
But you remember you put water spray everything, like everything closer to mine.
Look, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it here. Okay. You wanna do it here?
No.
Oh, we can do it here.
But it's gonna hurt so much.
Okay, we're gonna do it here.
Hey, no.
Tutulungan ko lang kami sa amin.
Ha?
Mahirap pa nga kami sa inyo eh. Sir,
Ba't
umatik
di
yan.
kayo di ka...
Because siguro si
Ha?
Naya si Cutie, you know.
That's his classmate.
Hi, yeah?
I am Miss Kirsty and Natasha.
Huh?
Siya yung tate Nara.
Don't be shy. You got Dia crush. Don't worry. Dia just shy.
That is classmate.
Say that's your cousin.
Wait, that's it. Wait.
Your cousin.
I'm a cousin.
What's wrong?
Two cousins.
Wait, are you major?
Christian, we're in the Philippines. We're back home. So
Mommy.
we're back home.
Your side.
You're shy.
Your side.
Napakit.
Try hard.
It's sabihin sa hot side.
Where's your kid?
Don't worry, I will. Yeah?
Inlalakasan mo din yung marinig, mahal. He means you, Zachary. You want to visit si Christian? Talk to him.
Wait,
Talk to him.
I know. Huh?
Classmate niya from Canada. Tinawagan siya. Miss siya. Kasi wala na kami dun.
What do you think?
Give him a tour. Cutie, oh. Cutie.
Don't be shy, don't worry.
Yan talaga yung mga talagang kaibigan talaga. No? Mahal. Dahil malayo na sila eh.
Ano,
Nakakain na kayo, Mara, sa sushi na gumagalaw. Yung may gusto mong kumain doon. Sushi. Ayun nga, mama, huwag na. Bawal kayo umabsent, no? Bawal ka umabsent?
Wala sila kahit graduating na ako.
Ah,
Wala naman kami habol sa activities.
wala kayong ano ngayon?
Tapos na yung ano namin, achievement.
Achievement test.
Kahapon.
Mamayang gabi nung tayo kakain sa sushi. Yung gumagalaw. Ay, yung umaandar. Gusto ko silang sushi.
Yung parang may noodles.
Yung mga sushi, yung umaandar, tapos titingin lang kayo.
Hindi,
Kukuha ka lang?
ayaw dun eh.
Bakit?
Dati niyayaya ko dun ayaw niya.
Bakit?
Kasi meron dun
Isa lang binili ko, hindi na kasi hindi ko mabubusog eh. Ha? Hindi ako
Masarap ang ginawa mo.
Oo. Ito yung one time na hindi ko kasi ang dami namin. Ay, parang Hawaiian siya. Parang carbonara, mahal. Parang Hawaiian siya, mahal. Ano sa'yo?
Yeah. Parang ano?
Sim?
Parang deluxe.
Ha? Tingin. Parang Canadian eh.
Medyo.
Gusto ko rin ang dami.
Meron kasi siyang green on, olives.
Ito, tima mo. Ayoko. Try mo ito. Ayoko niya. Try mo, kumusta?
So, okay sa panlasa mo.
Parang shade mo rin na ang tamis. Harap mo. Mantik mo matapit tayo. Pisak mo na lang yan kung ayaw yung kainin.
Hindi. Ano ito? Hawaiian.
Sarap din sila dalhin dito mga. Ha? Isang carb, isang protein. Gano'n na ako nagkanin.
Sarap po.
Ito? Hindi na pala natin kailangan ng protein kasi may protein na ito. Chicken pa. Ikala ko kasi puro tinapay. One more. Okay, go now. Ten, ten. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, 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 ten. So boring. No, it's so boring daw dito. It's not boring.
Pinagbilang mo ng Amber, paano dito na malayo tayo?
Dahil pa nga eh.
Paano kung bilang pagkakapin niya? Hindi patay-patay ka na. Saan kumakain tayo sa labas?
No. Kain kami sa Uncle Jess, malapit sa Sea Residence. Yan. Ang cute ng kanin nila. Ito yung gustong okay na yan. Kapit. Loin po sa mamaya na po. Daw, gagalit siya sa Chelsea. Pag ano alam niyo po tayo pumunta na dito. Kain. One swim. Wala kami with Ate Mara and Kobe. Ate Kobe. Let's go, Ate Mara. Okay. Only here, okay? Yes. It's not, yes.
Ate Cutie, hawakan mo. Malaki lang natin yan. Bebe, Ate Cutie, dong.
Only there, okay?
Very cool.
It's not cold, it's deep.
Very cool. Wait, I'm gonna sit down.
Come here, smile, come. Picture first. Chelsea, picture. Chelsea, picture with Ate Mara. Chloe, smile.
Beam.
Beam, smile. Peace. Chelsea. Peace. Look, mommy. Yay. Not. Sige, okay lang. That's it, Beam. That's it.
Are we
Okay,
paying
that's.
attention, Bebe? Are we? Make sure your sushi doesn't go too much.
That's it, Beam. That's it. Only there.
Hey, you're all here, Beam, here.
Oh, yes.
There, stay there. Good job. Wow.
Yan, pwede yun sila.
It's on feels warm.
Oh, not there, Beam. Only there. Come. Oh, only there? Oh, okay. This one daw. Oh, slowly. It's okay.
It's okay, you're strong. But no running, okay? Bim ko.
Wow, are you a mermaid?
Bim.
Picture, Daddy. Say smile.
Bim.
Look, Mommy.
Bim, look.
Daddy, smile.
Look at
Look,
Daddy.
Daddy. Peace. Look, Daddy.
Wow.
Mama. Look. I'm here. I'm not breathing.
Bim.
Ayan yun eh. Pre yan eh.
Chelsea. Look at Daddy, Bim.
Jessie, look, Daddy. Smile.
Look at me.
Hanggang 10 pa sila, o, di ba? Pwede rin pala tayo mag-swimming, tayong dalawa lang.
Ano sabi nila?
Wala. Sa 3 lang, pre. Okay
Ano
lang.
sa
Basta magbigay ka lang ng 100.
Pineswing ka ba? Hindi ka na question.
Hindi lang. Kasi kuya, pero yung isa kang question ako. Ay, wow! Ano sila dyan? Magtagal sila. Ano sabi ng ni Zachary?
You wanna come? You wanna stay here or you wanna go? I don't know. Sabi sa kanya, it's night time. They're not gonna swim for a long time. Maybe only 15 minutes. But if you wanna come down, tell it to budget ka.
Yung pang diaper. Okay lang yun. Dyan lang siya sa ano. Hindi magbabasa ng ulo. Para sa'yo yun. Yeah.
That's light.
Ingat ka.
Masarap na hangin nga dito.
Wow, baby, you know how to swim?
Pwede kami mag-ride.
Bawal kayo mag-dive dyan, ha?
Ride. Pwede ta?
Pumunta.
Live.
No?
Ay, hindi. May namin nagani yun.
That's Siri. I see my hair. Okay. Wow.
Maganda pag gantong oras. Oh. Dumaan.
Hindi. Ang ganda ng tsura mo. Ganyan ka.
Wala yung ano nila dito, no? Ang ganda ng kulay, no? Pagka. Sa Chloe.
Ate, dahil sa ate lang sa ito.
Ito, ano mo mahalo?
Pwede may mata yan.
Han. Tawal, oh.
Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Ayaw lang na ano yung ano niya.
Ano sasak nga, mahal? Bakit maligo?
Malamig ba yung ano? Hindi naman.
Pag kumunong ka na dyan, mawala na.
Ako naman kahit yung bata ko, hindi ko nahiligan mag-swimming.
Ako hindi ko nakilinga, pero pag may mga pinsan ako, yan.
Sawa sila. Sawa sila.
Chloe. Sunlight like the diamond. Sunlight like the diamond.
Gusto mo yung mga gwardiya, bigyan mo lang. Bigyan.
Noong nakaraan, bumili ako ng dalawang ice cream.
Ano na?
Bumili ako ng dalawang ice cream.
Hmm.
Nakatabi yung labas.
Oh,
I get the bubble.
Binibiro ko.
binigyan mo na.
Bumili ako ng dalawang ice cream. Balik lang. 50 pesos. Happy na sila doon. Be careful din, okay? Sa may isa, nag-upo sa pinto, bigyan ko na 50.
Chelsea, Dan? Chelsea? Let's go, Chelsea. No. Bye. Are you a mermaid, Chelsea?
I am mermaid, are you a crab? Maybe no, go there. Don't go too far.
Pag swimming na naman si Sak eh, kaya okay na yun.
Don't run, building na.
Ay, gusto niyo pala sa joke time, no?